What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to change the battery in your remote for your 2023 Volkswagen Atlas. It's extremely simple. You're going to need a little flathead screwdriver to do this. You might get away with using like a butter knife or something, but I would go for a little bitty flathead screwdriver. All we're going to do to get to the battery is just take off this back cover, and to do that all we have to do is pry on it a little bit. Okay, you're going to just stick the flathead screwdriver right here, pry, and you hear it kind of click. Just be kind of gentle with it, and then you can take the cover off. Okay, so if you look, the battery is a CR2032, and if you need a battery, I'll leave a link down in the description box. It'll take you to Amazon, where you can pick up a 5-pack of batteries for like $5. So check that out. And if you the battery came flying out, if you go ahead and tap it, stick the screwdriver right here where the little slot is, the battery come flying out of it, so be careful. Here's the battery again. Just take note that the plus sign on the battery is facing up. When you get your new one, you're gonna go ahead and stick it in, slide it in like that, and then press it in. It'll stay in there, and then we just replace the cover. It just snaps right back on, and we are good to go. We got a new battery in our Atlas. Okay, so if the video was helpful, I would really appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe. You guys take care, be safe, have a great weekend.